Welcome to our educational channel. From class 10th ICSE Mathematics, this is semester 1, model test paper 6. Previous I explained already 5 papers. Now some complicated questions also I am going to show in this paper. So let us see here, already know the pattern. Section 8 is the 16 marks, total 16 questions. Okay, let us go through one by one. Now apart from this model papers, the chapter wise you need to prepare the questions. So I am providing the links in description below. You can get the PDFs and prepare the chapter wise also from this. Okay, let us see these problems now. How any problems are difficult, let us see one by one. Question number 1. Mr. N.K. Roy deposits 50 rupees every month in a bank for 12 months at 10% per annum. Then the amount he will receive at the time of maturity. So maturity value we need to find out. That means P into N plus interest, right? So first let us find out the I value. I is equals to P into N plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 12 into R by 100. Okay, so this is the interest to formula. P is the monthly deposit, that is the 50 into N plus 1. N is number of months. It's already given in months only. 12 months. If it's given in years, convert into the months. 12 into 13 because N plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 12 and rate of interest is 10 by 100. If we simplify, you'll get the interest. From this, you can go for calculations. 51 is 52. Okay, 12 get cancelled. Again, 2 ones are 2, 5. 13 into 5 divided by 2. 65 by 2 is 32.5. That is interest. Now, but we need to find out the amount he will receive at the time of maturity. So MV, maturity value, is equals to P into N plus interest. P is the monthly deposit. So it is 50 in this problem. Like 12 months he deposited. Plus interest is 32.5. We need to do calculation. So 600 plus 32.5 is 632.5. Okay, we need to do calculation. Option B. Right. Some questions are we have the straight problems you can solve. Second one, if x is belongs to natural number, then solution set of x plus 1 less than or equal to 4. That means x is less than or equals to 4 minus 1, 3. Plus 1 take right side minus 1. X is less than or equal to 3. So x is 1, 2, 3 because x belongs to only natural numbers. So only 1, 2, 3. X is less than or equal to 3 also, right? And b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then nature of the roots. This is the discriminant. If the discriminant is greater than 0, then nature of the roots are real and unequal. If it is equal to 0, real and equal. If less than 0, imaginary. Okay. So nature of the roots is real and unequal. Next one. 2x 18 are in continual proportion, then value of x. Whenever 3 are in continual proportion, which is to take 2 by x is equals to x by 18. First one divided by second one is equal to second one divided by third one. They are in continual proportion. So from this, x square is equal to 36. Do cross multiplication. Then x is equal to plus or minus 6. Okay, so this is option D, plus 6 or minus 6, because x is equal to square root of 36. Now that is the plus or minus 6. So option D. Right. Next one. The value of k for which the polynomial 2x cube minus x square plus kx minus 2 is divisible by x minus 2. Whenever it is divisible by x minus 2, x is equal to 2, we have to substitute in the given expression. Okay, just substitute here. Fifth one. So 2 into 2 cube plus 2 square plus k into 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. And that is a 16 minus 4 plus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. 16 minus 4, 6 plus is minus 2. So 12 minus 2, 10. So 10 plus 2k is equal to 0. Then 2k is minus 10. Then k is equals to minus 5. K value is minus 5. That is option C. Right. And sixth one is the matrix 2a minus 3b plus x is equal to 0. AB is given, matrix X you have to find out. So direct way we can make, that means in this you can substitute directly in the place of AB these two matrices, or else X is equals to transposing other side. Two ways we can solve. So let us substitute directly in this. A is given 2 3 minus 3 minus 1, B is 4 5 1 2. Substitute in this expression. So if you substitute, that is 2 into matrix A. A is 2 3 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 into matrix B. The matrix B is 4 5 1 2 plus X is equals to 0 plus X is equal to 0. So this is the order now. Let us simplify this. 2 into this every element. So 4 6 minus 2 minus with 3 only multiply, not minus as it is. 3 4s are 12 and it is 15 3 and 6 plus matrix X is equal to 0. First two we can subtract. 4 minus 12, so minus 8, and it is minus 9. Same, minus 9 minus 8, that is plus matrix X is equal to 0. Then matrix X is equal to, if you take other side, change the sign. All the terms must be change the sign. So that becomes 8 9 9 8. Just normal, if you transpose the entire matrix, it's a negative. So negative of this. So minus of minus 8 is plus 8. 8 9 9 8. The value of matrix X is option C. Okay, we need to do calculation. Next one. In an arithmetic progression, A is equal to 2, D is 3, N is 50, then Tn. So nth term. So 50th term we have to find out. So the formula of 50 is A plus N minus 1 into D. A plus 50 minus 1 into D, because N is 50. Substitute here. So 2 plus 49 into D is 3. Simplify. This is a 2 plus 49 into 3 is a 147 is equals to 149. So 149 is option A. Right. And same 8th one. 13th term of AP, 13th term of 8 by 3, 3, 10 by 3, 11 by 3, so on. 13th term, as per the given data, A is the first number, 8 by 3, and difference is second term minus first term. So 3 minus 8 by 3. So 3 minus 8 by 3 is 1 by 3. If you know A value, D value, you can find out directly 13th term. So A plus 12D, because 13th term, no, A 13. So A plus 12D, N minus 1, 13 minus 1. So from this A is 8 by 3 plus 12 into D is 1 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 4. 8 by 3 plus 4, that is 20 by 3. 20 by 3 is option C. Yes. Next, 9th one. ABCDF. It is given that AB by EF, BC by DF, and CA by DE. Then, so among this, if you take AB by EF is equals to BC by, so this A to B, B to C, C to A, it's an order. Down if you observe, E to F, instead of DF, let us take FD it is. Instead of DF, just treat as FD. That means ABC triangle is similar to triangle EF, E to F. Again, DF or FD, same, D to E. E to F, then F to D. So EFD will take F to D and D to E. ABC similar to EFD. Then option B, because A place E is there, in the C place D it is directly, right? And the manufacturer M in Bangalore sells the fridge to dealer in Delhi, 27,200 under GST 10%. Then SGST is paid by the dealer. The state tax and central tax only within the same state, but Bangalore to Delhi, no, so 0 it's directly. Directly can take option D, not doing any calculation. Within the same state, only CGST and SGST should be calculated. One state to other state, only integrated GST. IGST must be calculated. So answer is D. Right? And here, sum of the positive integer and its reciprocal is 82 by 9. Then quadratic equation. Sum of the positive integer, let positive integer is x, plus its reciprocal 1 by x is equals to 89 by 9. So we can do cross multiplication and quadratic equation. X means x by 1. X square plus 1 by x is equals to 89 by 9. Do cross multiplication. Then 9x square plus 9 is equal to 89x. So okay, from this 9x square plus 9 cross multiplication now, plus 9 is equals to 89x. 89x take inside, and option A will come. 9x square minus 82x plus 9, which is the quadratic equation is asked. Okay, next one. The least number must be added to each of this 34, 43, 70 and 88 so that resulting numbers are in proportion. So each number, what number should be added? Let me take x. Okay, this problem I am solving this side. Let us take 34. Okay, the given data is 34. Next one 43, 70. 43, 70 and 88. So each number, what number must be added? So let me added x. Okay, so 34 plus x is to 43 plus x is equals to 70 plus x is to 88 plus x. You can use product of the means is equal to product of the extremes concept. So 34 plus x into 88 plus x is equals to same 43 plus x into the 70 plus x. Simplify both the sides and then you can find out the x value. So you'll get x is equals to 2 in this. Just you can do calculation. Either sides you multiply and find x value. So what number should be added means take x and make it as proportion. You'll get x is equal to 2, I just did. So 2 will get answer. And this if the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal, 2x square plus 3x plus p, whenever the roots are real and equal, then discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. You apply in this. X square coefficient is a, x coefficient is b and constant is c. B square. Okay, 3 square minus 4 into a value is 2 into p is equal to 0. Then 9 minus 8p is equal to 0. Then p is equals to 9 by 8. Take this side. 8p is equal to 9, p is equal to 9 by 8. So option B. And this 14th, 2x cube minus x square minus 7x plus 8 is divided by 2x minus 3, then remainder. So if it is 2x minus 3, then x is equals to 3 by 2, substitute in this. So you'll get the remainder. So 2 into 3 by 2 cube, because whatever it is, let it be 0. Make it as 0 in case if you don't know what you have to substitute. Let 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then from this x is equals to 3 by 2. That we can substitute to get the remainder. Okay, just substitute here. So minus 3 by 2 whole square. Same. Minus 7 into 3 by 2 plus 8. You simplify this. So 2 into 27 by 8 minus 9 by 4 minus 21 by 2 plus 8 means 8 by 1. 2 ones are 2, 4s are cancel. Then do LCM. Okay, 4 it is 27 minus 9 minus 42 plus 32. So 8. 8 by 4 is 2. Simplify it. So 2 option will come, that is this. And 15th one is direct problem. A matrix is given, then transpose of matrix A. 3, 5, 4 minus 2. So first row as first column. 3, 5. Here also 3, 5 is there. Among this, again 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. So rows and columns interchanging. Okay, and 16th one. Number line is given. Represent the solution set. Minus 3 and 2. So here is x is in between. Actually this is the line. line is drawn on this, between this. So minus 3 is not included, but 2 is included. And x belongs to real numbers. So option D. Okay, so because minus 3 is not included, so open circle, so bubbling. Okay, this is the option D. Now these are the 16 questions. Question each 1 mark. Let us do section B in this. In section B, it is a 12 marks, 6 questions, carries 2 for each. So these problems I'll explain only the method, so you can continue doing. First, 17th one, the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 10x plus 6. Correct to 2 decimal places. So up to the point, it should be 2 decimal places, means third decimal place you have to find out. If it is 5 or more, you will increase the previous digit. Okay, that method you will apply. So for this we need to use the formula. Then x is equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, here is the a is x square coefficient. Okay, in this problem, a is equals to 1 x square coefficient and b is equal to x coefficient minus 10 and c is equal to constant 6 is c. So c value is a constant, that is 6. You just substitute in this formula and you need to find out the value of x. Okay, just that you can continue doing. So I'm only showing the answer. Okay, and next one. A man has recurring deposit account in a bank for 2.5 years at 7.5% simple interest. So same interest formula you need to apply first. Then you can find out the p value from that. So in section A we did know there is one of the same problem. Okay, let us continue more here. This 19th one. Sum of the arithmetic progression of the 40 terms. So formula I'll explain. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so this is the formula. N is the 40 in this problem. So 40 terms, no, n is equals to 40 and a is the first number 1 and difference is any number minus previous. So 4 minus 1. So 3. Just substitute in this formula, then get the sum of the 40 terms. Okay, you're supposed to get answer B. Right? And next, x square plus y square by x square minus y square is equal to 17 by x. Then find the value of x is to y. Just we can take x is to y, we need to find out. For that we need to suppose to find out x by y value. If you know x by y value, then there is nothing but x is to y. Divide y square both the sides, LHS side, y square both the sides. That means x square plus y square by y square divided by x square minus y square by y square is equals to 17 by 8. Separate the denominator, x square by y square. Let xy is equals to k. Then x square y by y square means k whole square. So k square minus y square by y square is 1. By same, k square, this plus 1, k square minus 1 will come. Because separate the denominator, x square by y square minus y square by y square is equal to 17 by 8. Now do cross multiplication. You will get k square value. From that you need to find out the k value. Okay, you will get 5 is to 3 in this. Right, and next one, product of this is x and y. So first row, first column, first row, first column, 3 into 2, 6 minus 2 into y, minus 2y is equals to 4. From this you will find out the y value. Next, second row, first column, 2x plus 3y, second row, first column, 3y is equals to 7. 7 is here. From this you will find out the y value. So y value will get 1. Then y value substitute here, will get x value. Okay, then x is 2 and y is 1. C it is. Okay, and here is in the given figure ADE similar to ABC. ADE similar to ABC. DECE ABS is given. Then measure of BC and AD. Okay, so which two triangles are similar, that we can take first. The triangle ADE similar to triangle ACB, because A is the common angle, D is and C are same diagram, angle D and angle C is same, then E and B are the remaining places. So these two triangles are similar. Whenever two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in same ratio. So that means AD by AC is equals to, next corresponding sides, no, DE, D by CB. Same, AD, AC, first two letters. Next to D and CB by A by AB. Just substitute the values which is given. Okay, let it be AD, let it be Y. You take some letters. So if it is the Y, base is let be X, and it is Y you take. Then substitute in this. So Y by 10 is equal to 3 by X. Substituting values 4.5 by 7.5, which is given values from this. So here is the first and third, you can take X value will come, first and third Y value, second and third. These two take once, you'll get Y value, and next to these two take and do cross multiplication, you get X value. Okay, you'll get option D. 5 centimeters and 6 centimeters you get. So X is equals to 5 and Y is equal to 6 you'll get. Okay, just only the method I'll explain. You can try to do problems and confirm. Let us see some problems from section C also now in this paper. In this paper, section C is a 12 marks, 3 questions, every question carries 4. Let us see the pattern I'll explain. You can calculate and verify. The third term of arithmetic progression is 1 by 5. So general term is A plus n minus 1 into D. That is AL. So n means n minus 1. Third term of AP is 1 by 5. So third term A3, that is A plus 2D. It's a 1 by 5, and fifth term is 1 by 3. So fifth term, that means A plus 4D, that is 1 by 3. So A plus 2D is 1 by 5, A plus 4D is 1 by 3. So option C. The two equations will be. And next one, they asked only value of D. Do elimination method this. By elimination method, subtractions, so you'll get the value D. So once you know the D value, you can get the A value also. Okay, so D value will get 1 by 15, option A. And next, substituting A value in this, so any one of the equation will get the D value. So you'll get 1 by 15, same will get. Then value of S15. So sum of 15 terms. So S15, that is n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, apply this formula. So 14D, n minus 1, n is equal to 15. So 2A plus A value, D value, substitute here, we'll get that. So we'll get the option 8. Just to verify this. So these are the answers. Next, question number 24. The train covers a distance of 560 kilometers at x kilometer per hour. Okay, just draw a diagram and confirm. Distance is 560 kilometers. The speed is given. Speed is x kilometers per hour and distance is 560 kilometers. So from here to here, right? Time taken to cover 560 kilometers at x. So we know that formula. Time is equal to distance by speed. D by S. Distance is 560. Speed is x. 560 divided by x. So option C in this. Right answer. Time taken to cover 560 kilometers at x plus 16. So that means 560 by x plus 16. It is same time. Then quadratic equation in terms of x. And condition is the distance will be reduced 4 hours because speed is increased. At the speed be x plus 16, the time taken to cover the distance would have been reduced 4 hours. So the equation we can make like this. Starting is 560 by x is the time minus 560 by x plus 16, that is equal to 4. Difference between these two times is 4. Okay, 560 by x is time. Again, by increasing the speed one more time is 560 by x plus 16 because time formula is this. Difference between them is 4. Do LCM and simplify, you'll get the answer. So you're supposed to get answer for this is A. Okay. Then after getting, then you can do quadratic equation x square plus 16x minus 2240. No, you can do factorization this. By factorization, you get x value. So x will get the 40 kilometers per hour. because same equation you have to split into parts. X square, I'll write 2240. So that means plus 56x minus 40x. 56 minus 40 is 16. 56 into minus 40 is minus 2240. Just take the splitting into parts, common from first two terms and last two terms, you'll get x value. Okay, these values you can calculate. And next question is from this GST. A shopkeeper bought a washing machine at discount of 25%. The listed price 40,000. The shopkeeper sells the washing machine at consumer to the listed price, but sales are intra-state and GST is 18%. Choose the correct answers for the given four sub options. First one, shopkeeper's cost price is nothing but selling price of the distributor. Okay, that one. So shopkeeper's cost price. Shopkeeper's cost price is nothing but selling price of distributor. So how much is sold? From 40,000 he gave 25% discount. So 40,000 minus 25% of 40,000. That should be subtracted. Then you will get 30,000. Because 25% of 40,000 is 10,000. Subtract. Now this is the shopkeeper's cost price. Right? So from this now, in this you have to add the GST. So 30,000 plus GST is 18% now. 18% of 30,000. So this if you calculate, you get 35,400. Okay, so B, 35,400. The selling price of the washing machine, including the tax. The tax under GST paid by the distributor to the state government. So this is so here is from that means 5,400. So overall you have to calculate to GST. This is a 5,400. No? Subtract this. Only options I'll give you. You're supposed to get 2,700 because they asked only under GST only state government. That means only SGST, not total, right? And to GST, shopkeeper selling price is 40,000 on that 9%. So 3,600. Option D will get. Next, bill amount paid by the consumer. That means 40,000 plus 18% of 40,000. So 47,200. So total bill. So only the main thing is who's paying to the government only based on the profit they can pay. State government or central government, which is asked, on that you can consider and write. Okay, these are the answers you can go through. Actually, the chapter wise we need to prepare thoroughly one by one. So chapter wise PDF files, providing the links in description below, you can go through, download those and you can learn.